If you're looking for real versatility, look no further than the Sharp Video Champ 3300. This is the first truly portable, full-function home video on the market today. It's one of a kind. There isn't anything else like it. It even looks different. The Video Champ 3300 gives you three-way video freedom because you can take it anywhere. One, it gives you the freedom to use it as a normal home video with tuner, 7-day timer, picture search, in forward and reverse, stop frame, and remote control. In fact, all the features you'd expect from a top home video. Two, the real difference is the package it comes in because it's compact, upright, and lightweight. It gives you the freedom to move the Video Champ from room to room, home to home, to the office, in fact, anywhere you might go. If you're into home movies, add a camera. The Video Champ's compact design is ideal. There's even a shoulder strap included, and the optional built-in battery makes shooting possible anywhere. This three-way video freedom is made possible through clever design and a three-way power choice. Its built-in AC power pack is quickly exchanged for an optional battery pack or an optional cord connection to your cigarette lighter socket. Plug the Video Champ into your TV set and it's ready to roll, to tape off-air, playback pre-recorded tapes, or those movies you've made for yourself. Remember, Portapack videos made by other companies can't do that, not unless you buy a separate tuner, timer, and a battery charger. As I said, the Video Champ is a fully featured home video that's compact, has a three-way power choice, and is ready to go anywhere you go. Versatility is the keynote with the Video Champ 3300.
Oh, good day viewers. Well, hey Charlotte, you a mouse patrol, are you? Puss, come here. What's that in your face? You okay? You be a good cat and meow for me, eh? You gonna meow? Puss? I recently picked this up. How cool is this? This is proper badass. The Video Champ 3300 from 1983, a Sharp VCR. Model VC 3300. Pretty cool, quite unusual. Very well made Japanese device. Japanese made good stuff. And they bought it properly too. Your channel selector for 3 to modulate too. I've got to dig out my B&C adapter so I can use these. Microphone and remote, which was missing, but the JVC NEC one should be compatible with this hopefully. Look at the quality of these sockets. Wow. You don't get sockets that good anymore in modern AV equipment. 1.2 amp 12 volt camera. Wow. Love to get the camera that goes to this thing. Charge. Now, the battery is external. Why would the charge port be there? Because when I take this off, this thing slides out and the battery plugs in there and it can be charged through there. Here's a power supply. Turn this off from the mains. Still got the plastic on it, protecting the metal bezel, the label. 83. 8th week. The date code. Okay, 14.5 volts, 2 amps output. So it runs on 14.5 volts at 2 amps. It can run off a 12 volt battery too, this thing. They've taken a locking screw out for something, so there must have been something here to hold the battery in, I'm assuming. The battery would have been in here. Now I think it is some sort of NiCad battery, I think. Because this is on Radio Museum, this VCR. Quite an unusual little VCR. The quality of the components in there. They don't make them like this anymore. This is quality stuff. It needs a good clean though. I gotta pull it apart, check the belts, clean up the heads, the drum. It needs a good clean before I can start using it. Gotta do some dusting inside it. I thought it was a boombox and I've seen it and I looked closely. Hang on, this isn't the boombox. It's got tracking adjustment. The shop, yeah, as I said, the shop was closing down, so I ended up getting it real cheap. Tape counter. I'll plug it in. It's all electronically ejected. This thing's got the good quality motor and big solenoids in it to do the clicking and clacking. The manufacturer, Hirakawa. That's actually who made this thing, made under Sharp. It's a Hirakawa that made it, but it's actually a Sharp brand. Proper quality stuff. Runs off 12 volts as well. Get the air compressor going. Need a bit of a dust out. Give you a demo. There's a screen missing there for some reason. Turn it on. Motorised. Look at the heads. See how dirty the heads and everything are? Yeah, I've got to get a tape cleaner in here. I have to pull this apart though, because you want a little bit of soft, like a post-it, a bit of A4 paper, and isopropyl alcohol past the drum and spin it by hand to clean it. And I can't put a tape in this, way too dirty, it'll just wreck the tape. This is filthy. Got to plug it into a TV now. I don't think it's got OSD, you wouldn't have OSD in it. It can either be set up like this, you set it up like a boombox, or lay it down flat as a top loading VCR. The video, I think, is the input. There's an AV input on this, so I can use it to modulate as well. No, there won't be any macro vision on this either. Here's a set-top box part. SBS, Prime, Win, ABC, Prime, SBS, ABC, Win. They label it over the buttons too with that white on the plastic to protect the buttons. Tuner, camera, auxiliary mode, audio input. Microphone input, so you can probably record on a camera and narrate a video. No matter that everything works. The take-out mechanism and everything works. Yeah. Needs a good clean, I can't use it yet, too dirty. Proper cool though, this thing. Standby, on, video, timer. It's funny how it says a battery comes on, turn it off, battery light's on. Capacitor's obviously still good, it helped charge a little bit there. Here we go, I'll turn it on now. That turns the TV on inside this thing. The clock. Really cool stuff. Alright. Give it a bit of a clean out. Little Charlotte, puss. Little cutie. Little cutie. Alright, it's all clean up now. Got a plastic screw to go in there again. Just hold this plastic bit on the front metal tape carriage. Blew the labels off, that's why I'm going to clean this thing up anyway. I'll pull it all apart and manually check all the belts and clean the heads by hand. You don't want to put a tape in something that's got dirty heads because it'll ruin the tape and risk scratching up the drum assembly, the head assembly. Should work quite well, this thing. Should work better than the NEC one, which is all tired. So I can't get the NEC one, I've got to take up anything. The motors seem weak or something, even though I changed all the belts. It's almost like the motors are weak. But this is the same age as the NEC, which is actually a rebranded JVC VCR, which is the original, JVC was the original manufacturer of VCRs. So pulling this thing apart, I should see some JVC components in here. Since JVC was a main manufacturer that invented the VHS system, which competed against Betamax in the early 80s. Anyway, starting to get a bit warm. We'll clean it up and pull it apart and clean it up at a later date. Thanks for watching. Little cutie.